Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter, and just letting you know that I'm having a pop-up sew day this Saturday, which is tomorrow, because I only give my notices about 24 hours in advance. So that's tomorrow, Saturday, May the 7th, 2022, and I'll be online and ready to work with you at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But you can pop in at any time during the day. So if you can't make it until later, that's fine. If you have to leave earlier, we'll run until probably about 4 p.m. in the afternoon, again, my time, Eastern Standard Time. But, feel free to pop in and out throughout the day, whatever, you have available to you in terms of time. And also another reminder as well, it's not really a reminder, it's an announcement. There will not be an episode of So Chatty with Walter and myself this week, mainly because Walter's away on a workshop, and he has been all week. So we'll have lots to tell you about that on the next episode of So Chatty, which will not be for another week. So join me tomorrow, Saturday, May the 7th, 2022, anytime after 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a pop-up sew and craft day. Yes, I forgot to say it was also a craft day as well. So feel free to come join us, work on whatever you want to work on. It's very relaxed environment. We don't get into anything dramatic at all. We just enjoy each other's company as we get caught up on some of our projects. So again, tomorrow, Saturday, May 7th, 2022, starting at 8 a.m. or whenever you decide to get up in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.